Hey guys, Will here. Another unboxing video. Ooh la la. 2 flashlights. Oh. What do we got here? W30. What? Another X65 Mini? Yeah, why not? Heh 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 heh. 2 flashlights in. This one I already did a review on. But yeah, let's do a review on this W30. So if you want to see the review, you better subscribe because it'll be coming up soon. I'm just going to say right now, I think this is going to be a must-buy light. Okay? The lid comes off. So this is not so much of a carrier box like the other X65 Mini. But whoa, okay, so... Aha. Alright, so what are we looking at? It's for the battery. So I think you're going to charge, not only charge, plug this in, charge the battery. I think you can plug into the battery and then also discharge. So this is actually a pretty cool item with that battery. I guess you can make that into a power bank if you just get a bunch of those batteries. Okay, what else? Okay. This is a adapter, 18650 adapter. Okay. Oh, it's pretty nice. Not just like a sleeve, but you have also to adjust for the length. And then lanyard. Okay, cool. High quality, feels good. Okay, laser radiation, do not stare into beam. Okay, so hello. Why did I get this light? I had this kind of feeling that this light is quite dangerous and quite special. That I feel like it might be illegal in the future. Who knows? So I felt like it's a must buy. Okay, you get a red. This unscrews. Now let's see inside. Oh my god. First of all, look at the quality. The quality of this anti-reflective lens. I mean, this is something I see in like my Canon L lenses. You know, at the very high quality lens. So wow, they paid no expense cut. Wow, so I guess that's the phosphor in the middle? And the laser is in the bottom. Yikes, man. You don't want to look at this end. It's like staring down like a gun barrel. Right? So dangerous. So tail switch. What else? This, honestly, this feels like it's high quality. It feels, for some reason, it feels like dense or... I don't know, there's just a feeling that's high quality. Okay, that is the battery protector thing. Okay, 5100 milliamps for capacity, 21700 lithium ion battery. Cool beam, cool beans, and probably a cool beam. Okay, so here's the charging. Check that out. Just like that. Okay, cool. Maybe I'm gonna charge this the conventional way, and then I'll play around with that later. So, stay tuned. Yeah, very excited about this one. This one is like something very, very special. Yeah, stay tuned for this one. Thanks for watching, guys.